Good morning, everybody. Hope you slept good. I'm up. Obviously, I've been up for a little bit. Sarah's waiting on me.
Time for breakfast. Let's go.
I need to get up.
Let's go.
And get the day going. It's the big day, Bersy.
Big day.
Big day. Guys, we're going to have one more diploma. She's going to have one more diploma by the end of the day to add to her collection.
Ooh.
She's got a massive collection.
No. I got two.
But it's more than most people.
All right. Let's
Guys, we're going to go have breakfast. Coming? Toast? Eggs? Let's do it.
Time to go get the parents.
I think I should tell people why we take the stairs.
Yeah, they're like, what?
All right, so here's the thing. I don't know if I'm the only one, but when I take the elevator, no matter if it's 1 floor, 2 floors, multiple floors.
Because we're only on the second floor, so it's 1 floor for us.
When I get on the elevators, I get so dizzy. Like, my whole body just drops. I don't know if it's a height thing, it's like vertigo, but it's like,
it's
man,
like an equilibrium
it's
thing.
like completely throws me off balance for a long time. Not just for a little bit, but for a long time. So I just prefer not to do elevators. It stinks now because my new job, I work on like the 5th floor and I have to take up multiple times. So I'm at the computer, I'm just like.
It's time to start doing the stairs.
Yeah, so
Extra exercise.
Yeah. Anyways, so if you also feel dizzy when you're on an elevator, let us know because I feel like
it would make him feel better.
It would make me feel better. I'm not the only one. We're outside.
Cool. We got some grills. We got like cool little fire pits.
It's like an animal barking somewhere up there.
Might be that dog we saw last night.
Oh yeah.
Remember what was his name? Pickles.
Pickles, yes.
I was like, that is a cute
He was
name.
cute.
It was like a little dachshund, and he saw us, and he was like full charge, and I was like, he just wants to be our friend. And she was like, Pickles, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, he was coming down the stairs with us.
He was like, I want to go. Yeah, it was cute.
Look at this fire.
Yeah, that's neat.
Found the pool area. Kind of cool. It says no diving allowed. Too bad.
That's probably good because I think the deepest it gets is like a little over 5 feet. So
Oh,
that's fine.
I would have hit my noggin.
You guys, I got an idea. We are going to do a walkthrough. Do you want to see our place?
Yeah, let's show you the room.
All right, let's go.
It is the time you've all been waiting for. It is the room tour. So let's check it out. All right. I like these keys because they're not that kind that you have to like put in the slot and you're like, which way does it go? That's always something that trips me up. All right, so here you have it. We have this lovely like ensuite living area. Obviously it has been previously decorated for the festivities. Thanks, Mom. But yeah, so starting over here, we have like a nice desk, a little like electronic station. That all of the lamps have these like double plugins. I think almost all of them, definitely all the table ones do, which is really nice. So you can charge all your devices at night or whenever you need to, and there's plenty of them. And then we have like the living area with this little like mini couch, this awesome lounge chair, and this can be either like an ottoman or you can push it out, and like probably even two people could sit on this because it's pretty big. So there's like a lot of movability to make this adaptable for the amount of people you have. So that's pretty neat. Get it back under there. A nice large TV, a little extra storage down here, a slot to put some things in, maybe a good electronic storage area actually. Didn't see that before. Might use that now. Let's see, let's go check out the kitchen area. So we have this lovely little like granite L-shaped bar with 2 chairs, which is nice. So you could sit. You could even bring other chairs around here if you needed to, and multiple people could sit here and have any kind of meal. It's like completely livable. The first thing we said when we walked in is like, oh, we could probably really like full-time live in this amount of space. It has everything. So we got the counter, got an awesome sink here, a double burner stove. We got plenty of storage down here for, you know, anything you might need. When we came in, all of the dishes were clean and ready to use inside the dishwasher, which is great. We have, of course, a little Buc-ee's surprise. Again, thanks Mom and Dad for that one. We haven't gotten into those beaver nuggets yet, but I'm sure it's coming soon. And we've got a little like tiny kind of like coffee brew station situation going here. They actually do have a little like tea and coffee selection and some creamers and a bunch of different little things if you're into that. Of course, the ice bucket, awesome fridge and freezer. And then moving into the bedroom area, we have 2 lovely queen size beds. And let me just tell you guys, these things, let me tell you, they pass the fall test. They're really nice and they're really soft. And it was really hard to get out of bed this morning. Oh, you want me to keep doing the tour? Okay, I'll keep doing the tour. Justin refers to this as the Disney window because he imagines that when you open it, it should just be like a Disney princess and there's like songbirds just like tweeting about and you're singing and they're singing, and I don't know, it has the vibe. It also has a little bit of a Miami vibe with like the fact that there's a palm tree directly coming in like at us. And it's nice, it's a nice little view. We got another very large TV, some more storage down here. Let's see, what else? A nice alarm clock if you need it. Of course, an old school telephone, which it's always fun to see those whenever you go in a hotel. You're like, wow, a little throwback to the past. The housekeeping, because of COVID, they're not coming in your rooms unless you specifically ask for something. They'll bring it to your rooms, so that's pretty nice that it's like you get to decide when there's someone in your room, when there's not. Of course, that's always the case, but it's a little more private in that fact. So it's just like, oh, this is what I need. You guys will give it to me, great. So pretty neat. All right, moving on. We have a nice sink area. As you see, this is pretty exciting. Ready? Boom. I like the light around the mirror a lot because it puts out like an even lighting versus usually it's all top lighting. So it's really nice for girls when they're doing their makeup, so it's a little more even. And then we have a closet here. It's a double closet. So on both sides you have some space. There's some extra pillows. There's an ironing board and an iron in case you need that. As you see, we got some stuff hanging already. There's actually one of those pull-out racks for your luggage if you want to put your luggage on top of one of those. 3 extra storage shelves over here to the side, and some hangers, and actually some laundry bags that they put in there. So that's also nice. Let's see if I can get the doors close enough. All right, bathroom. Nice, typical toilet. It's clean. Everything was really clean when we came in. plenty of towels. There's also some extra towels hanging in the front section of the bathroom. A nice little shower tub. Looks, again, very clean, so that's a big plus. Sometimes you go in and you're like, I wish I had brought cleaner just to like make myself feel like consciously a little better, but this all looks very clean, so that's nice. A nice big nozzled shower head. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. See, that's pretty much it. It's a lot for not a lot of space, and it's really nice. And yeah, we like it a lot. It's a cool hotel room and a cool hotel. So what more can you ask for?
We're going to graduation. It's time. Guys, look how stunning this woman is.
Outfit.
Check that out. That's professional woman right there. We're registering. The final step, right?
It is the final step right before ceremony.
How do you feel?
Excited.
Last minute words?
Just glad we made it 2 years to this point.
So
With
does
your
that ring?
help, with the best support from this one and all my friends and family and everyone else in my class. We made it.
Time to get that diploma.
Let's do it.
I have never been more excited to celebrate the accomplishments of a group of young women and men as we are this afternoon. These two colleges that we're celebrating today are propelling forward leaders at a time when they're needed now more than ever in every community around the globe.
We now present the Linda Berry Stein College of Fine Arts 2022 Master's Graduates. Victoria T. Benoit, Phi Kappa Phi.
Sarah Elizabeth Walston.
Yeah, get it, Sarah!
Ashley Elizabeth Croft.
Brittany Labita.
Tanisha Somerset Payne, Phi Kappa Phi.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present to you for the first time the Jacksonville University College of Arts and Sciences, class of 2022, and the Jacksonville University Linda Berry Stein College of Fine Arts, class of 2022. You are now graduates. Congratulations.
You did it.
Did it.
She graduated, everybody. She got her diploma. She walked. We screamed her name from across the lawn of trees, and as did everybody else. And then we celebrated. You got to meet everybody.
Yeah, I got to meet a lot of people from my class that graduated with me, so that was like a huge highlight of it.
Amazing
It was
part.
so nice.
Well, I'm very proud of you. Your family's proud of you. Your friends are proud of you. Anybody watching this, everybody who knows how hard it is when you're up against what feels impossible, and you know, you just keep chugging through, and what you've accomplished today when you graduate, I mean, that's a testament to all the hard work, and just I'm very happy, very, you know, this was a long time. Everybody saw your thesis and everything, so good job.
Thank you.
I am now in the presence of a master.
Woo! Masters in choreography. Yeah, it's official.
Guys, thank you for watching BersLyf this week. Thank you for being part of this graduation journey.
Yeah.
We're gonna do another cool part. Well, we're gonna tell you guys, we're gonna go to a zoo. We're gonna go to the Jacksonville Zoo and Gardens, and that's gonna be really cool. They got supposed to have amazing animals, but we won't say too much. Well, we will see you guys in the next one.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Again, thank
you
you
guys.
guys.
Subscribed yet? Hit the button.
That's her graduation gift from the internet.
That's what I'm asking. If you've watched us and you've enjoyed it, please subscribe, because we're trying to grow. So I would love it.
She would love it. Guys, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Guys, as always, be adventurous, be bold, go out into the world, and get your master's degree.
Or just have fun.
Have fun. Good night, everybody. Good night.